Minisita Anyakun yabanza gukoraho urukiko n'abebembezi ba Kisoro atiyo nuko kuzo myanya yatwirwe mtunga
twari twakivuzeho kugira ngo zitangizwa
miliyoni 26 zahebwa mu gurusi Gaudiyozi intubarukure urucyamani we cyaro cyabizi kandi ugakaferwa abantu batanu bekaye.
Here in Kisoro we lost 10 people and 2 of them were injured, and then in Ruchiga Rubanda we lost 2 people, and then in Ruchiga we lost 3 people. So those are like around 15 people who died from this side. Then when you go to the other side, that's when you're able to count now the rest of the people who died in Rwenzori side, and we're going to reach out to them also.
RDC wa Kisoro Haji Shafik Sekandi na jangu bija kugaruka mu kwandika abantu abateganisiwe mbereji ahabo kuba beyonjire kukanya.
The homes are very many. We have 2,680 households that were affected by the disaster and they don't have food. And also we have 173 homeless households. People, either the houses were destroyed completely or they have been submerged by water. So the challenge we have now, food cannot be enough. We give 7 kilograms per home of posho and 3 kilograms of beans.
Abandi bebembezi ba Kisoro batugambira ebarikutekateka ahakwera abantu bechangechi.
70% of our population is in the hills. We need to do a study. We need to analyze that study and know which people are supposed to relocate. At which level should someone build a house, and which level are they not supposed to reach?
The point is, if we don't do anything, what it means is that next time disasters we've witnessed could be more serious than those we've just gone through. And therefore, government's proposal to relocate those who are willing is absolutely spot on.
Echanga cha kigezi chikateganisibwa njura y'amani yagwire sande hwire. Gasha kwa Job na amanya apuli na keta tuzarirwe omuri Kisoro.